Welcome to Adaptive Technologies Group. Located atop Signal Hill and overlooking the Port of Long Beach, Adaptive's engineering and manufacturing plant has been a major resource for the Pro AV industry since 1987. Adaptive's sales and engineering departments work closely with clients on their installation needs and projects ranging from complex custom designs to standard off-the-shelf audio-visual mounting and rigging solutions. Our manufacturing plant is equipped with the most state-of-the-art equipment and operated by an experienced and talented group of fabricators, welders, CNC operators, and quality control technicians. Adaptive's assembly and shipping departments are the final stop of this tour. Products are assembled, packaged, and shipped out all across the globe to be incorporated into some of the most amazing AV installations you've ever seen.